To be honest, I didn't have any idea what NLP was all about. I've heard of NLP. I know NLP stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. It put some structure into some of the values or things that I have been doing all this while. Of course, along the way I did some new things, like some of the techniques, some of the skills, and there are terms to it. And all this while I've been doing that without knowing, oh, it is part of NLP. So I find it's quite amazing. Having this NLP training, it put structure into it, and at least I've come to a point, okay, it makes more sense now. Why is it that way? And yeah, to your point, yes, it does it makes me see things in a different perspective. And of course, it also makes me to I believe it has made me a better communicator with my choice of words, my body language, as well as my thoughts. I had a bit of conflict actually not too long ago, and I applied some of the skills, some of the things that I picked up from this program. You use it, and thank God I was able to solve that conflict almost at ease. Yeah. Our trainer is Nelly. Nelly's a great presenter. She's a great facilitator. She's great at everything. She's very engaged. She is very. She engages all of us. Each and every one of the participants in the room, she engaged with us, and I think by far Nelly is one of the trainers that I've attended. She is one of the most entertaining and one of the most engaging. And I believe also it goes down to the nature of the program itself. We're talking about NLP, so like it or not, you gotta have someone who's engaging, otherwise you'll not be able to deliver it. And I guess Nelly is the right person to do it.